buying a phone on Best Buy is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy phones from the Best Buy. So either you guys can visit their store in real life, or you guys can buy it digitally. So for that you have to open up your browser or your Best Buy's application. So I'm just going to type in Best Buy, and I will go to this website, which is bestbuy.com. This is their official website. Now here, in the Best Buy, you guys will be able to see all the phones that are listed here. So you just need to find your phone that you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy this phone, so I'm just gonna click on that link, and it will take me to this page. Now here, as you guys can see, it's either I can buy it $33 per month for 36 months, or I can pay the whole amount. It totally depends upon me. So you just have to add it to cart. You just have to select whatever you want to buy. After that, you need to add this thing into the cart, and then it will be added to the cart. I will go to my cart, and here you guys need to set up your AT&T company, or just because I'm buying this on the monthly basis, so I need to connect my Best Buy with this. But if I go to my cart, you guys will be able to see other phone as well, which I added to the cart, which is Google Pixel. So now what do I have to do is I just have to click on this checkout page. It will want me to add my addresses, add everything related to me, in which the phone will be delivered, and the payment as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can buy a phone on Best Buy. Hope you guys find this video helpful.